Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to make someone an admin on Telegram. So first of all, launch open Telegram application. Make sure you're logged in to your account. You can see over here Telegram has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to see all the chat over here. So in order to make someone admin, first of all, simply open the group chat. Now you can see over here that particular group chat has been opened. At top you'll be able to see the group name, so simply tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to see all the members over here. So what you have to do is simply identify the member that you want to make an admin. After that, what you have to do is long press on the profile of that member. Now you'll be able to find the options like promote to admin, change permissions, remove from group. Simply tap on the first option, promote to admin. Now you can also control what this admin can do. You'll be able to find the options like change group info, delete messages, ban users, invite users via link, etc. So if you want to allow the admin to do that, simply toggle the button right next to the option that you want to allow. If you do not want the admin to access the option, simply toggle off the button that you'll be able to see right next to that option. Now after doing that, what you have to do is tap on the right icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here that particular group member will be admin. So that is how you make someone an admin on Telegram. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.